I am Mikey Ferolino.
For today's video, we'll be showing you different properties of dental materials using household items. Physical property can be observed or measured without changing the composition of matter. Here are the examples.
Absorption is the uptake of liquid by the bulk solid. I have here a sponge and a water. When the sponge is in contact with water, it will directly absorb the water. Unlike adsorption, absorption holds the liquid not only on the surface.
When cleaning your mirrors at home, you encounter a type of physical property which is adsorption, by which a solid holds molecules of a gas, a liquid, or solute as a thin film, and loosely held on the surface and can easily drop off. Another example is solubility, the property of a solid material capable of being dissolved. As you can see, when the salt was submerged into water and gave it a stir, it dissolves eventually, making it all a liquid substance, just like adding sugar to your coffee.
Mechanical properties is defined by the laws of mechanics. By means of mechanics, it is the science of motion and the action of forces on bodies.
Tensile stress is the elongation of the material when stretching force is applied. So an example is an elastic band. A material has its ultimate tensile strength, and it is when you continuously stretch the elastic band apart without breaking it. So the ultimate tensile strength is the maximum stress that an object or a material can withstand while being stretched or pulled before breaking. So if I release the force, the elastic band will go back to its length, and that is called an elastic strain, a temporary shape change that is self-reversing after the force is removed. Compressive stress is the decrease in length of an object. So I have here an empty bottle of mineral water. If I squeeze it together, the object undergoes deformation, therefore making its length different from the original length. Flexural stress, from the word itself, flex, meaning bending. So here's a ruler. When I applied force to bend it, flexural stress is applied. Continuous bending of the ruler will cause the object to break, resulting into plastic strain, meaning it is a reversible and permanent type of deformation as the material has been stressed beyond proportional limit.
Electrical property refers to the ability of a material to conduct electrical current. Conductor is a material that allows the flow of electrical current in one or more directions. An example is a metal spatula as a conductor, and the heat is the electrical flow. The heat flows through the spatula and may hurt your hands if it's too hot. While insulators are materials that offer high resistance to the flow of electrical current. In here, I am using a material that is heat resistant, rubberized or plastic spatula, and the heat does not flow through it. Galvanism is the generation of electrical current and occurs when two different materials are having vital or forceful activity. In old times, these stones, when brought into contact again and again, it produces heat and creates fire. And that's all for today. Much love!